Hi folks, just a short video to show the visual differences between the Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus marketing mock-up and the real computer. We see that the model name on the mock-up is in white, where on the computer itself it's in red. And we see that the writing on the keys are in different sizes and on some places with different writing. For example, here we see for INKY dollar just INKY and the dollar sign, and on the production unit it's really INKY dollar. And you see even that the character sizes like the N are different. So from the top view, that are the most important differences between the handmade marketing mock-up and the mass production computer. Okay, that's it. Thanks for your interest and take care.